Let's move on in this bulletin. This is a very unfortunate story which is coming in from the Kashmir Valley. One captain and 3 jawans, they have been killed in a gunfight with terrorists in the Doda district of Jammu and Kashmir. The area has been cordoned off and security has been beefed up in the area. The responsibility of the attack was claimed by the Kashmir Tigers, a shadow group of Pakistan-backed terrorist organization Jaish-e-Mohammed. Meanwhile, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, he's spoken to the Indian Army General Upendra Dwivedi today on the ground situation in Jammu and Kashmir, as well as the ongoing encounter in the terrorist operations which is currently ongoing in Doda.
Right now I am in Desa Belt in Doda, where massive cordon and search operation is continuing. Additional reinforcement has been called. It was yesterday evening at about 7:30 a.m. Security forces got information about presence of terrorists in this area. While the cordon was being laid, at about 9, contact was established. Terrorists opened fire, in which 4 of our brave hearts, including young captain, lost their lives and 3 others were critically injured. Since then, combing operation is continuing and everybody is trying its level best to pin down terrorists at earliest. It will not be wrong to say that Jammu has become epicenter of terror-related activities. Ever since Prime Minister Narendra Modi has taken oath, we have seen that there has been spurt in violence-related incident.
In fact, the Jammu and Kashmir DGP R.R. Swain has claimed that the regional parties in the valley were responsible for Pakistan infiltrating the Kashmir civilian society. He has in fact accused them of cultivating leaders of terror networks for their own personal electoral gains. Big charge coming in. Listen in.
Pakistan successfully came to infiltrate all important aspects of our civil society. Thanks to the regional so-called mainstream politics in the valley, there is overwhelming evidence to show that many had honed the art of running with the hare and hunting with the hound to a near science that left both the common men and the security men bewildered, frightened and confused. Visiting homes of killed terrorists and expressing sympathy in public became the new normal. While elimination of new recruits to terrorism was allowed and tacitly encouraged, those who facilitated the recruitment, arranged finances, were never investigated.
Well, let me go across to Pradeep Datta, who's joining us with more details on it, our senior editor. Pradeep, it is very unfortunate that the life of 4 of our braves, including an army officer, has been lost in this anti-terror operation. The operations are on, so I'll not ask you too much about the details. But what is it that you can share with us?
Yes, Meghna, it's a matter of concern that we have seen that during the last few weeks, the theatre of terror-related activity has shifted from plains of Kashmir Valley towards the mountains of Jammu region. There has been escalation in situation on the ground. And yesterday evening, encounter started, and in which 4 of our brave hearts, including Army captain, lost their lives. Since then, the combing operation is continuing through areas.
इस मुल्क के साथ खड़े थे, चाहे वो उमर साहब थे या सजादुद्दीन लोन साहब थे, उनको लोगों ने वोट नहीं डाला, बल्कि उस सेंटिमेंट को वोट डाला जिस सेंटिमेंट को ये बंदूक के बलबूते पे खत्म करना चाहते हैं. ये इनकी सबसे बड़ी नाकामी है. You should have resigned then. उसके बाद इतने लोग, रोज हमारे जवान मारे जाते हैं, रोज हमारे जवान शहीद होते हैं. छोटे छोटे बच्चे छोड़ के किसी की शादी अभी हुई होती है 6 महीने पर कोई पूछताछ ही नहीं है, कोई बात ही नहीं है. उल्टा मेन स्ट्रीम को ब्लेम किया जाता है. भाई 6 साल से तो यहाँ गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया की सरकार चल रही है. क्या किया आपने? सारे हुर्रियत के लीडर या तो वो चले गए हैं दुनिया से या जेलों में आपके बंद हैं. आपने तो जहां के लोगों के साथ जंग छेड़ दी है. चाहे जर्नलिस्ट हो, बार एसोसिएशन हो, बिजनेसमैन हो, कोई मीडिया पे लिखता है, सोशल मीडिया पे, उसको जेल में डाल देते हो आप. यू आर फाइटिंग विद योर ओन पीपल. आपने यहाँ से कहते हैं मिलिटेंसी खत्म है, तो यहाँ तो आपने अपने लोगों के साथ जंग छेड़ दी है. लोग तो दर बदर फिरते हैं. अगर किसी को नौकरी मिल भी जाती है तो वेरिफिकेशन उसको नहीं दे. तुम्हारा जो कोई बाप का रिश्तेदार था, मिलिटेंट था, वो चाहे वो जहां भाग क्यों ना हुआ हो, किसी को पासपोर्ट नहीं देते हैं. सारा निजाम बिगाड़ के रखा है. वी डोंट नीड अ फिक्सर, वी नीड अ डीजी हियर. और ये डीजी को ये समझना चाहिए, यहाँ जो एलजी साहब हैं, कि यहाँ पर जो पूरे मुल्क से जवान आते हैं अपनी ड्यूटी करने के लिए, वो यहाँ से ताबूत में वापस चले जाते हैं. और इसका रेस्पॉन्सिबल कौन है? अगर आप कहते हैं मिलिटेंसी खत्म हुई है, तो जम्मू ये क्या हो रहा है? जम्मू में इतने लोग क्यों मारे जाते हैं? मुझे लगता है कि इसका नोटिस होम मिनिस्टर को लेना चाहिए, इसका नोटिस डिफेंस मिनिस्टर को लेना चाहिए और उनको यहाँ रिस्पॉन्ड, बिकॉज पिछले 32 मंथ्स में, खासकर जब से ये डीजी साहब आए हैं, सबसे ज्यादा कैजुअलिटीज बॉर्डर पे कौन है? बॉर्डर पे क्या हमारे जर्नलिस्ट हैं? हमारा कोई कश्मीरी है? कोई मुसलमान है? कोई बिजनेसमैन है जो बॉर्डर्स को गार्ड हो? आप ही लोग गार्ड करते हो। और